Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be kicking off my fall decorating. Finally, this is the latest I have ever decorated for fall. I'm usually completely decorated at this point and I'm just starting. Today is like what, September 10th, 12th, something like that, September 12th. And I'm just starting. Wild. Wild, but we are gonna start our decorating with some fall tiered trays. So today I'm gonna bring you guys along with me as I decorate 3 different fall tiered trays for 3 different areas in my home. So if you love tiered trays just as much as I do, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video to get some inspiration for your tiered trays. Let's start off by showing you guys the tiered trays I'm going to be using today. So I guess my main tiered tray is this one from Hobby Lobby. This is like the bigger of the 3. And what I'm thinking is a tiered tray in the kitchen or on the dining room table, a tiered tray for the coffee bar, and then a tiered tray in our bedroom. So I have that one from Hobby Lobby, and then I have this one from the Target Dollar Spot, and then this one from the Target Dollar Spot as well. I actually have so many more tiered trays than that, but these are the 3 we are going to be using today. And then when it comes to your tiered tray fillers, if you hear my kids in the background, I'm so sorry. This is just life as a mom. Okay, now let me show you a few of the like filler pieces that I have out here that I'm going to be using on the tiered tray. So a few like essentials for me for the kitchen dining room one are some dishcloths. I have these ones from Hearth and Hand and these cream ones from the summer line. And then also some little faux plants are super cute and help fill up the space a lot on tiered trays. So I always love it to use those. And then to go along with that, like just different greenery picks and stuff that you can put on your tiered trays. Different little pumpkins. I have some pumpkin picks, some regular pumpkins. You know, fall. It's fall, think pumpkins. I also always love to use different beadery options. These are just great to give your tiered tray some depth, hanging off the side. It just really adds to the tiered tray. Different little riser options. So I actually have this stack of books that I think I would probably put backwards like this. This little riser, just little things that you can use to elevate your pieces. For a coffee bar tiered tray, it's pretty like, you know, necessary to have like a creamer pitcher, a little sugar jar. This one's from the Target Dollar Spot. I always love it to use candles. And then lastly, I think like one of the main things I typically use on tiered trays is like just little signs from the Dollar Spot or whatever. And then of course you're gonna need like different fillers, so your favorite like little items that are gonna help fill up your area and kind of be like the more focal fall points, if you will. So with that being said, we're gonna start I think with the kitchen tiered tray. Okay, so like I said, let's start with the kitchen tiered tray or possibly dining room tiered tray, although I think I know pretty well what I want to do in the dining room, so I think this is gonna be a kitchen one. I'm just gonna start right off by taking these dish towels from the Hearth and Hand fall line and putting them on like this. They are great as a layering piece to elevate something. I don't know what I'll put there. Yeah, but help elevate. And they just fill up the area so much. So as you can see, that almost filled up like the whole half side. I love this little pumpkin tray, but I'm just not sure yet how I would use it. You know, I think that this might end up on one of my shelves because it is a little larger than I typically like on a tiered tray. Unfortunately, because I love that. So let's see, I'm gonna put some staple kitchen items on here because I do like to make this like practical since I put it right next to my stove. So I have my garlic container that I'm just gonna go ahead and put right over there. And then my salt and pepper, which I'll probably put up top. Okay, so then I think over here I'm just gonna put, this is a Rae Dunn creamer, but I'm not feeling, you know, the words lately. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this backwards over here. And then to kind of finish off that space, I'm gonna take these measuring spoons, these cute wood measuring spoons from Hobby Lobby, and just kind of stick them out like so. Okay, and then up top, I'm gonna take this little gnome from Hobby Lobby. It's got like the little apron and stuff, so it's just so cute for the kitchen. I'm honestly not a big fan of the whole gnome thing anymore, but something about this one that just makes my heart happy still. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the gnome up there. I have this little kitchen timer from Hearth and Hand. I think that this would be cute to add somewhere here. See, tiered trays are so fun to me because it really is just like adding and removing things until you find what you really enjoy. It kind of reminds me of like, okay, you know, like when you're a kid and you play with like doll houses, that just like never changes as we get older. I mean, maybe it's not a dollhouse, but you're setting things up strategically and trying to figure it out. I'm gonna add a vase somewhere, maybe up here. Okay. So I have this little utensil holder. Everything's little. I don't know why I always say that. From Hearth and Hand. I'm just going to use this to put underneath the garlic. Mainly because I don't want to pack it away, but I have something else that I'm using for my utensil holder for fall. So perfect. Okay, I am gonna add this vase back here. Oh, you guys can't see the top. I'm adding this vase just because I feel like I need something back there. And then I think I'm gonna move the timer up here as well. And I'm still a little unsure about down here because I love this pumpkin pie sign, but this is so much brighter than my tablecloths, but I would like to make it work. I mean, the gnome's hair is pretty orange, so I feel like I can make it work. But I also don't want the garlic to be somewhere where I have to move stuff always, which this actually I want it. Okay, I think we're gonna go with that. And then I do have some little pumpkin cookie cutters. I think the top is pretty full at this point. These can just be a great way to kind of like fill up, especially if you have like an open space in the front, which I obviously don't, but so I don't know if I'm going to use those back there. I also have these napkin rings that I thought could be cute. Actually, let me try that. Maybe we'll elevate this pumpkin a little. There. So the only thing I think this is really missing is like some picks. I need some like greenery picks on the bottom. So I'm gonna go rummage through my bins and see what I can find. Okay, so I found a pick from Hobby Lobby last year that came with like that little pumpkin and stuff. And I just ripped a few pieces off. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over on the side. So that way it helps balance out both sides with the same looking greenery. I also almost forgot about these beads. It says bless the food before us and the love between us. I think this is super cute for the kitchen. I think I'm gonna drape, no, that's too many words. Nope, I'm gonna skip the beads. I lied because I don't want too many words, and this with the pumpkin pies would definitely be too much. So instead, I'm also just gonna go ahead and layer some more greenery.
Hey, Mama!
Yeah.
Bye!
You fell? You're crazy. Okay, so here is the finished product. I think that this is perfect for the kitchen. I just went ahead and put it, like I said, right next to the stove because it does have useful stuff on it that I'll use as I'm cooking. And of course just some like little cute things as well. And then I layered it with this little Target Dollar Spot pumpkin, again with the littles from a couple of years ago. I love that it gives like cutting board vibes without actually being a cutting board. And then this is from the Hearth and Hand line, and I think it's super cute. Now we are gonna go ahead and move on to our coffee bar tiered tray, I think is what I want to use this one for. Woo, children. So I'm again gonna go ahead and start with just some dishcloths because they really do they just help, okay? They just help. I'm not sure how I want to label them yet. And then I have this cute little cream jar. I'm gonna go ahead and put these pumpkin spoons in them. I love these. These are from Hobby Lobby, both of us is actually. Now on top I'm going to take my little sugar and put the sugar on the opposite side up top. Now I'm going to try to keep this one pretty simple because my coffee bar just has a lot going on because we use it as like storage for a lot of things as well. So I'm just going to add this greenery pick, which is from the Tiered Tray DECOR box, which is a monthly box subscription. It's amazing. It would be perfect for a gift as well. So I'm going to link them down below as well as my discount code Tristina10 so that you can check it out. You can like buy it by like 1 month, 3 month, etc. And it's a surprise. So that's so fun. I'm using a few different items today in today's video that I got from the September box. Or actually I think it was the August box. But it would be perfect for Christmas gifts because you can buy just like 1 or 2 and it's the gift that keeps on giving. Now I have this Life Happens Coffee Helps sign. I don't know if I want to use it yet. Let's start with this first. This cute little pumpkin spice with a spoon, it's a little garland. Just like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stick this pumpkin pick back here with the greenery as well. So maybe kind of random, but I think it would be cute to go ahead and take a pumpkin spice K-cup and just put it on here since we are repping pumpkin spice on this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this Life Happens Coffee Helps and just place it up top. And then I'm gonna take, I think, my little napkin rings. Maybe just one. So I think this is just how I'm gonna keep this one. Super simple, but we'll just add a little bit of that fall spice to the coffee bar. Here it is in its little assigned area. I just have it sitting next to my kitchen TV with the mugs on the other side. I haven't actually decorated anything for fall yet, so we are just working with the tiered trays for now. But I think that looks cute up there. And lastly, we are gonna do this one for my bedroom. So I again wanna keep this pretty simple because our TV stand can be pretty crowded in general. So I just wanna go ahead and put a candle on here. This one is from Marshall's. It is like a fall Patriots candle. It actually smells really good. I mean, it's from Home Goods, I'm sorry, not Marshall's. All the same though. And then I'm going to, let's see. I'm gonna take these little books. This is from the Tiered Tray box as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and flip these backwards as a riser. This can be far too big. I'm gonna add this cute little pumpkin up here. Put another one of the same pumpkins down here just to really help bring that about. And then I got this little truck with the pumpkins from the box as well, and it has like blue in the truck, which just pulls out the blue from the Patriots without being too overbearingly blue. I don't think I like this big pumpkin down here though, so I'm gonna switch that one out for just a little pumpkin. I'm gonna add this little again, jeez, this vase beater around the pumpkin just to kind of have that hanging off there. I'm struggling a little bit more with this tiered tray, I won't lie. I was thinking maybe adding like a vase up here. And then maybe just filling the top in with some little acorns. Okay, I'm completely changing the bottom up. I decided. I just added these little picks to this amber glass vase up here, and then I decided to go with the amber glass theme. So since this is going in our room, I figured like different candlesticks and stuff will be pretty cozy. So I just grabbed these different amber glass candle votives and stuff, and then I'm gonna put this pumpkin in the leaf here to fill it up. And then I am gonna go ahead and replace my little truck back. I think that that just kind of brings the blue to both sides and makes it flow better. And then I think I'm just gonna keep it at that. I might add, I'm just gonna add this pick kind of around the side. Because I feel like the back is kind of missing something. And then I can put little tea lights in here and it'll just help with that like cozy vibe that you want in your room. So here is how this one turned out. Okay friends, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and doing some fall things. I'm so excited for more fall decorating. I cannot wait. There's going to be lots coming up, so make sure you press the subscribe button if you haven't already. We got some blocks being played with here in the background. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite tiered tray? I think my favorite was the kitchen one, but let me know what you guys liked best, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!